every moment in our life we are busy associating with something, some person, some issue, some place, some work. After associating, we get some sorrow, some joy, some consolation sometimes, some tension sometimes. Mind is not sitting quietly not to associate. Manasa sivyate, I have said many times, the definition of the word mind, Manushya in Sanskrit, which is teaches by mind. It's teaching, it associates with something. And this freedom of association can be a very big liability and can be very big blessings also. We may be bound to do a work, but we are not bound to think. Your body forces you to think. How I have to see my mother, father, it is your free will. With whom to associate is your freedom. And when we don't know any freedom which we don't know to use, it slowly comes as a bondage. Everybody is troubled by those areas where he was free once upon a time. What is a troubling time today was a time of freedom. But because of my thinking, I made it my bondage. What was open sky has become a prison now. Whom to associate? Should we not do action? No, you should do action. Should we not associate with the beings around? No, you should associate. How will you live without association? Should we not say the house is my house? No, you say, if you don't say how, what will you say? Should we not say our clothes as my clothes? No, say. Should we not say my son as my son? Say. Where am I wrong then? I am just saying something which is right. What is my mistake? Your mistake is we have formed independence in stitching. Our first relationship is from the one who has known me since ever. 1,000 births back, nobody knew you. Who knew 1,000 births back? Arey, one birth back only nobody knew us. Nobody, in their resume, nobody tells us what I was in the last birth. They only tell about this birth, all good things. If anybody has failed, he never says I failed also. One who has known me since long, one who has with me, because of whose existence I owe my existence, I am more associated with that rather than for whom I have a temporary association. This we forget. How you say that, we are very closely related, or I feel very close to that person, when nobody was with you, who was with you? In the mother's womb, who was with you and me? Who looked after me in the mother's womb? Don't say mother. Mother doesn't know also. The child has maybe some pain, maybe there. Who looks after me at various juncture? Who is my associate? Who will be the one after this body is dropped? Who will take me to the next body? Who will know my weak and strong points and give me what I want? If we start thinking, our association with the Lord is much longer and much stronger than any other temporary meetings that we have in this world. Bhagavan has said many times that you only know these people, or I know you since ever. You don't know me, but I know you all. But we don't understand this point. Achha, knowing is one thing, but knowing and trying to find out what anybody whom as a Jeev also we must have talked is the Lord only. Last birth also I must have seen Lord Krishna, Lord Rama. Bole, are you sure we are human beings? Yes. We must be human beings. Therefore we are in satsang. Our Vasana tells we are human beings. We must have seen Lord. They are eternal Lord. But this aspect that who is my associate and whom I can't leave and who will not leave me, these things are not very well appreciated. To assert our relationship, which is very dense and very deep and beginningless in bhakti, that is called bhajan. Bhajami. When you meet one old friend, childhood friend who was in class 2, supposing. Well, 2 is too early. Okay, make it class 10. 2, I won't remember any friend of my class 2. 10th, 9th, 10th class. And then how much joy you have in meeting that friend, supposing. Supposing you meet someone so many years, 30 years back if you meet, and you may not recognize, if he recognizes that, he tells you about how much joy is there. Are Sudhir, you? You must have met something like that. You? We used to sit and have coffee and tea in the canteen and you never paid. You always said, I don't have a change. Yes. You are the same one. Then you will hug him, you will shake hand. And Sudhir, I still remember you took away my copy and did not give me. Once you were taking my on your bicycle and you had met an accident, I was also fallen. Yes. How nice we were that days, we used to go together. Once you lied to your father and he thrashed you, remember that? Well, yes. And you came to my house crying. And you are always weak in studies. And examination day used to cry many times. Yes. And chant Hanuman Chalisa during that time. And then what will ask? Kahan the? Why didn't you meet me? Where were you? much older is our relationship with the Lord. Sometimes I wonder if we meet Lord and He can tell us what we did to Him, how we prayed to Him in this birth, that birth, how He helped at various times. So many births we are with Him. I don't know how many times we must have fallen, He must have made a rise. At least He gave the human birth, Deva Anugrah Hetukam. We are going to lose everybody. Achirat, soon enough. But someone is there, He will again accompany us. The deeper is this conviction, easier it is to leave something before they are leaving. I already mentally left them. Bhajami is the word through which I again remember that you alone are mine. I have left no option but to be with you. Well, if I don't, we all need someone to hold on to. You can't say I won't hold to anybody. We need to hold intellectually, we need to hold physically, we need to hold monetarily, we need to hold emotionally. Who will give you emotional support? Who does not need emotional support? Support is not only by money and house. There is something called somebody should give me emotional support. Somebody should make me feel I am loved. Somebody should make me feel, although I am not important, but still somebody should make me feel little important. I am foolish for everybody, but for someone I should meet someone also. Emotionally, if a person has a nice emotional life, you know what a cozy life is after that. All are thinking now. If anybody gets love from their husband and wife or children, they are so happy. You go in the house and you get welcomed. You go in the office and you get the feeling that you are wanted. Somebody is ready to share your sorrows, joy, your depression and your anger. Somebody is wiping out your tears. Moment tear trickles down your nice cheeks, and somebody comes and start wiping like that. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. And the person who is saying don't cry, he starts crying. Don't cry, don't cry. एक emotional support होता है. Somebody should say once in a while, I love you also. Somebody should say once in a while, you belong to me also. Somebody should say, I belong to you also. Somebody should make me feel that I will never leave you. Who does not need emotional support? Starting from a small children to the old person. नहीं चाहिए, क्या बात करते हो आप? Who doesn't need intellectual support? Various things we don't understand, somebody should make me understand. Various things we don't appreciate, somebody should make me appreciate. Physical तो पूछो ही मत. Every time we need support physical. From the childhood, his mother is not there. Who will cook the food for me? Who will get my clothes ready? Financial support we need. Spiritual support we need. Social support we need. नहीं चाहिए. And one support is missing in the life, and you see what a problem starts after that. When financial support is not there, you have to work a lot to meet the ends. क्या बोलते हैं? Square a day क्या है? For one square meal. Square meal. What is the phrase? Square meal one for one day makes my belly round. From square, I have come to sphere now. कितना चाहिए आपको? Spiritual support is required. Many a times when I read mantras, still that happens. I don't understand what is the meaning of this word or the meaning of that mantra. What is the meaning of this book here? Nobody can claim everything I can understand. And you need a support, somebody has to help me out. I want my jap to be proper, I want guidance. Bhagwan, tell me what kind of jap should I do and how to do, you only can tell me. If I am doing something wrong in my jap, please correct me. If I am not meditating, please correct me. Who claims here? Financial, how much big businessman you are, you know you are living in all uncertainties. You need lot of support at the business level also. Professional, you need support at the professional level also. You can't claim today's day will be good in your profession, in your business, in your practice. You can't claim. You can't guarantee 100%. Howsoever good you may be, no batsman can guarantee I'm going to the crease, I'll hit 100 only this time. Howsoever great batsman he may be. You can't guarantee anything. I need so many supports from all quarters. And I know I can't do it alone. And let me tell you, if you stretch your thinking, you also know that no relation also can help me beyond the limit. Whether it is financial, social, emotional is okay. Nobody will help me. If you tell your problem to anybody every day, he will run away from you. My problem, how long anybody, he will say first hear mine also. You are, about my problem you are saying. Well, see, I have knee ache is there. I mean, knee ache, you have a headache. No, but I have acidity. I have acidity. You have acidity, I have ulcer. Ab bolo. There is a competition. Well, I have toothache. You have toothache, I have root canal done today. अपना सुना रहे हो आप. But my financial condition is not okay. I also am going through tough financial conditions. I have tried to make that particular room. The expense has gone up. Why? The contractor skewed the wall like this. We have to break it. And he ran away, taking the money. Then what are you doing? What are you going to do? We have to poke the wall down. He is not picking up the phone. He changed his number because of me. हमारी सिचुएशन समझो आप. Whom you will share everything? One person you can't share whole financial condition, your social condition, your spiritual condition, your physical condition, your emotional. आपको कोई, you need a bigger support system. You can't rely on one person to give you support. I need a shoulders where I can lean and cry sometimes also. I need a lap where I can put my head and sometimes be comfortable in that lap also. Who doesn't need this? I need sometimes somebody to console me. I need someone sometime to forgive me. As a seeker, if you have mind in control, so ask someone to control your mind, help you in controlling your mind. When we have realized that this world cannot give me what I want, my basic things world can't give me. Basic requirements world can't fulfill. If you are lucky enough, you will get good job, you will get your clothes and shelter and food, but there are much bigger requirements than these small requirements. Our emotional requirements are bigger, intellectual requirements are bigger. What is my duty? Where I am falling? Bigger requirements are there. Who will take care of that? Many duties we did not do. Later on feel, I should have been told I would have done this duty, I didn't do it. Well, I didn't know Shraddh is so important. I went to somebody's house. So he said, are you smelling alcohol? I said, yes. Well, please go all around the house. So I walked all around the house. Real story. Everywhere alcohol. He said, nobody is drinking here. I said, what? How can it be possible alcohol is there, nobody is drinking here? Well, you see, we are 4 people, nobody can drink. I saw all of them normal. So, I also felt, how can they drink? Then I asked, somebody passed away in your house? I said, my husband passed away. Which year? This year. Was he drinking? Well, he was a heavy drinker. Did you do Shraddh? No. Nobody told me. Tomorrow you do Shraddh. Go, get the Pandits. I will tell you which Shraddh to do. You please do it. You will come. No, I won't come, but Pandit will come. It's not my area. Shraddh was done, this, that was done, then. Well, this is very frequent. This is frequently that smell comes. And outside I went in the house, nothing. But only in that house. When I went slowly after that, it vanished sometime. Again it will come. There are 1,000 things in the world. We don't know what is to be done, what is not to be done, what is my duty, what is not my duty. Which action of mine will take me to problem, which action of mine will be making me comfortable. We think, just because we earn some money, that is enough for me. Just because I can provide, I have sufficient for my family, bas ho gaya. Arey kahan baat karte ho aap? And nobody can give that other than God. What is our requirement? Only God can fulfill that. And He only knows how to tell it to you. Not only He knows how to do it, but He also knows how to tell it to you. He will send someone, He will do something, He will communicate. He is a great communicator. He has ways to enter your heart and mind and head. 1,000 ways He has. Only one is there. When I also go to Him and I say, Bhagwan, where to go for support? Hum jaye kahan jaye? I don't think so. Anybody can give me what you alone can give me. I think you are my biggest need. Without you, can't move forward also. I don't think so I can understand this. समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I have come to you. Please guide me. Please help me. Please give me the love that I need. Please give me the attention that I need. Please give me the money also that I need. Everybody requires money also. Please give me the health also that I need. I am very frequently sick all the time. Earlier I was Raj sick, now I am only sick. Raj and Tam has gone and 2 sicks are there now. Kya hai? Headache is over, then I start sneezing. Sneezing is over, then stomach ache starts. As if queue is there, Bhagwan. What's going on? Till yesterday night I had headache. Morning I was very happy, headache gone. Stomach ache started. Now till afternoon 2 o'clock stomach ache was almost over. From 3 o'clock backache started. At the tip of the backbone, pain has started. I feel by sitting, somebody is, that point of the bone, which of my spinal cord is hitting the carpet. And if it comes, it will come out after some time. It has increased in length. Kya kare bhai? Someone whom I was loving so dearly, he has left me. He doesn't love me as much as he was loving me earlier. This is a constant experience, huh? This experience you will have. Someone who was loving you is not loving you that much now. Someone for whom you are important, you are not important now. Kya chal raha hai? When we realize it, that my requirement is the Lord, then you will understand what I am saying. Khub soch lo, you think over it, deliberate over it, contemplate over it, meditate over it. And then you come and hear Ramayana, then you will understand what I am trying to put on. When I left my house, I didn't tell that I am leaving the house. Everybody was crying, so why should I tell anybody I left? When I left, now police people were in the family. Commissioner, police commissioner, high post they were. So I didn't know. Later on I came to know. So they came to my house and they said, see, in all this train which he is going, they went to the astrologer and said that he is going towards Bombay direction. The astrologer could say that. He is going towards this direction, he is under traveling there. So they went and found which trains can be there. They located the train also. And those people in the police said that I am going to sound the alarm in this station so that he can be brought back. Almost they were set. Everybody in the family agreed, okay, let us put it. And by the time he will be reaching Bombay, on the stall at the most Bombay station, there are few stations. This is station, police will be standing, they will hold him and bring it back. No need for him to go anywhere. And I knew this may happen. I had a premonition of that. In whole train I was just chanting Lord's name. That nobody should come, no police person should come near me. Bhagwan, I have taken one step towards you. I have heard you take many steps. My father ultimately said, nobody will disturb. Don't do anything to him. The wrong way to stop someone. Nobody came. आपको somebody has to be godfather also. कोई माई बाप होना चाहिए हमारा. Because of whose strength I can jump. Somebody is there, क्या कर लोगे हमारा? What can you do with me? I'm his son, I belong to him. He will take my care. Bhajan is not something very weekly thing, it's a constant experience, an assertion of whom I belong to. And I'm sure if I go to him, whatever I need, we don't know also what I need also. Problem is this. We don't know what I need completely. Like the patient doesn't know which medicine he should have. Doctor will say, are you taking medicine? No, I'm taking regularly, doctor. What are you taking? Panado. But your X-ray is saying you have TB. Panado will work, na? 3 times I take. Panado won't work. No, but it may work. I feel better. He may discuss also, argue also. Some patients argue unnecessarily, as if they are the doctor. Doctor should hit him one slap. You don't know ABCD. No, last time I took, I got better. I had a very nice sleep. Similarly, we don't know what I need also. We don't know whether I will have future accident or whether I have future promotion, whether what. I don't know anything. We know very little. And according to that little, we go to the God and ask something. हमको क्या पता हमारे लिए क्या लिखा है? And one who loves me, he will leave me. Bhajan is, Bhagwan, I know, I don't know. You know better. Please give me. Please protect me. I have nothing to give. One thing, I know what you like most. I'll give it down. What I like. I like your ego. You should give it to me. Because anything likes that thing which he doesn't have. So because Bhagwan does not have ego, therefore if you give that ahankar, he will like more. I'll give it to you. Bhajami bhava ballabham kuyoginam sudurlabham. ठीक है. Once I was going to some, what is it called, plane somewhere. Somebody put some snack in my luggage, cabin bag. I said, no, I don't take any, not here, international flight. I said, no, I don't take. Well, no, please take. No, I don't take. Don't keep it anything. I'll get everything on the flight. So forcefully the person put it. Maharaj, flight, inside the flight, 6 hours late. Sitting there, standing inside. Oh, his stomach is now empty. I called their hostess. I said, give us some food. He said, we have no rule that we can go food. Let the plane start. It is for the destination. If I give everything here on the way, when you will get angry, what I'll give? Everybody I saw, nothing, water you can have. How much water shall I take? Then I opened that bag. I said, let me have it. Everything got over. Anyway. अरे हमको नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है आगे. हम भजन करते हैं आपका. भगवान, I adore you. I can't give you, but I'll give you flower every day. I'll sit with you every day. I'll talk to you every day. I mean, every day, I'll chant something for you. Please help me. Please be with me. I'll sit with you. Please be happy with me. इसको भजन बोलते हैं. Bhajan, that kind of emotions which pull attention of the Lord for you. देखो, attention cannot be dragged. You can't pull anybody's attention. Something you do marvelous, automatically attention goes. You can't grab anybody's attention forcefully. बोले attention दो हमको आज से. I will do something that you have to give attention. I will speak like that, I will see you like that, I will have such bhav for you. Attention nahi chahiye na. I will do something. I will offer something. I will serve. Devhuti, when she got married to Kardamji, Kardam Rishi never gave any attention to her. And she was a princess. Kardam Rishi used to do Havan only. Karmkand, he was sitting in meditation. Years together, that girl who was beautiful princess became just a mere servant. Her whole, you read Bhagavad, her face, hair, everything had lost its luster of a princess. Eyes went inside, just waking up in time, getting up in time, sleeping after him, putting the particular vessels for the puja, setting it here, setting it there, all the time standing. Never he talked for years. But one day he saw it. हम आपको attention देंगे भगवान. I'll do something that you have to see me also. ठीक है, yesterday we saw this. Bhajami bhav vallabham kuyogi naam sudurlabham. Those who are kuyogi. Kuyogi means uncontrolled sense organs. Uncontrolled. Yatanto yoginashchaiva pashyanta atmanyavistam. Yatantopya kritatmanan. Nainam pashyanti achetasa. Akritatmana. Uncontrolled, raw-minded. Who have crude mind. Kam Krodh is there. Kuyogi, they are doing some, but Kam Krodh is uncontrolled. On one hand, I try to please God. On other hand, I disturb someone. Dharma is not there in the Jivan. On one hand, I want to please God. And on the other hand, I disturb the people around with my adharma, with my sins. We think because we worship we are close. No, we are not. So next is Swabhakt Kalpa Padapam Samam Susevaman Vaham. You saw that? Kya badhiya line hai. Shall we read it? I have not read yesterday also. Shall we read it? Okay. Please read. Namami Bhaktavatsalam. नमामि भक्तवत्सलं कृपालुशीलकोमलं भजामि ते पदाम्बुजं अकामिनां सकामुदं निकामश्यामसुन्दरं भवाम्बुनाथमन्दरं प्रफुल्लकञ्ज प्रलम्बबाहुविक्रमं वंशमंडनं महेश चापखंडनं मुनीन्द्र संतरंगनं सुरारिवृंदभंजनं मनोजवैरिवंदितं मजादिदेव सेवितं विशुद्धबोधविग्रहं समस्तभूषणापहं नमामि इंदिरापतिं सुखाकरं सतां गतिं भजे सशक्ति सानुजं सखीपति प्रियानुजं तदङ्गुमूलये नरा भजन्ति भवत्सरा पतन्ति नो भवानवे वितर्कवीचि सङ्कुले विविक्तवासिनः सदा भजन्ति मुक्ते मुदा निरस्य इन्द्रियादिकं प्रयान्ति ते गतिं स्वकं त्वमेकमद्भुतं प्रभुं निरीहमीश्वरं विभुं जगद्गुरुं च शाश्वतं तुरीयमेव केवलं भजामि भाववल्लभं कुयोगिनां सुदुर्लभं स्वभक्तकल्पपादपं समं सुसेवमन्वहम् अनूपरूपभूत भूपतिं नतो हमूर्ध्जापतिं प्रसीदते नमामि ते पदाब्ज भक्ति देहि मे पठन्ति ये स्तवम् इदं नरादरेण ते पदं व्रजन्ति नात्र संशय तदीय नदी करि मुनि नाई सिरु कह करो जोरी बहोरी चरण सरोरु नाथ जनी कबहु तजय मति मोरी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति
देव की जय।
बोलो भाई सब संतन स्वभक्त कल्प पादपम. Very beautiful line. One who is his devotees, he is like the celestial tree. If you know, that is called surtaro, where you stand and whatever you wish you get. But his bhakt won't desire anything. I also asked someone, whatever you want, please tell me. You know, when I ask, when I'm sure he won't ask. I do take risk. Raja Darshat suffered like that. So. If I have little inkling that he will ask, then I will never say. Arey nahi bhai, Swabhakt, anyone whom you love a lot, is it not you want to fulfill his desire? आप सोचो जरा सा. Anyone whom you have loved, even he may be your servant also, even he may be your driver also. If he has stood with you at all times, you would like to fulfill his desire. This is natural for a person. And what about Bhagavan? Swabhakt kalpa padapam samam suseva manmaham. He will not fulfill my desire. What is my desire? And devotee won't have any desire. For ordinary desire, people rush to fulfill. They will, go from heaven to earth to get their desire fulfilled, and devotee's desire is fulfilled. If a person becomes someone like, at least little of devotion is there, he will find his life, many things are done, many desires are fulfilled without asking. And some devotees are so sensitive, they don't ask because they know if I say it will be fulfilled. एक हक हो जाता है. Anybody who asks something after doing a lot, he has a right to ask. And one who asks something without doing anything, he is like a beggar. He is like a beggar. Sita ji also asked Ganga ji, may me with my husband and brother-in-law, may we come back and again we will offer you whatever is required. आप पहले खूब सेवा करो और फिर you see whether your desires are fulfilled or unfulfilled. Swabhakt kalpa padapam will be in your life. How will that happen? I told the story of Narsimha Mehta, how his daughter got married. So many times you have heard. He was a great devotee. His wife sent him to purchase ghee, etc. Yaad aa raha hai? And when he went there outside, 9 o'clock, as he went, he saw some people are there doing bhajan, and he started doing bhajan. He forgot ghee, etc. And Bharat had come there. For Kanyadan, he had to be there. Koi nahi. He got lost singing and dancing, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. 10 o'clock, when everything got over, then he saw, my God, this empty dibba is for ghee, I think. My God, how will I face my wife? Many of you may be thinking. And he thought, now what to do? Then he said, my daughter's marriage is there, अब क्या होगा? बेचारे डरते डरते he entered the house. People were going away. He went and said sorry to the wife. बोले, I don't know what happened to me. He said, what happened to you? He said, I did not bring ghee, etc. Kanyadan, Muhurt also has gone. बोले, you did everything. You brought ghee also, you did Kanyadan also. क्या हो गया? आजकल भूल जाते हो क्या? ऐसे भगवान की भक्ति का फल है. There was one, what is this नाई? क्या नाई था? नाई था. नंदा नाई. You know, the Mughals were there. He used to go and do this hazamat banana, they say. They used to shave. And he was a king's barber, used to shave. And he used to do bhajan. And while doing bhajan, and he forgot that I have to go to the king also. And king were very barbarous kind of. He forgot. After evening, when he remembered, then he thought how to face. He went to the king. King said, you had come. So many incidences I can tell you. There was a girl, her name was Kanho Patra. Young, beautiful girl she was. She used to sing glories of Lord Krishna. And these Muslim rulers were always finding out which girl to abduct for the king's harem or harem. They found her. So she asked the soldiers, can I come after us? 15 minutes, 20 minutes. He said, if you don't come, we'll drag you. She went inside, held the murti of the Lord. He said, Bhagwan, what are you doing? I worshipped you for this day. I already belong to you only. Saying that, she was holding the Lord. Soldiers waited for half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. They shouted, "Well, we are going to bang the door, break the door, open the door." Ultimately, when they broke the door open, they saw she with the Lord on her chest. She is lying down, left her body. When we become lords, then we understand how He is the one who fulfills my desire. Svabhakta kalpa padapam. What can I do? I can't do alone. I accept I can't do alone. I accept that. I'm never saying I will do it alone. आप बोलो, भगवान पूरा कर देंगे उसको. One devotee was there, one saint was there, and he had a, from outward, his little funny kind of body he had. His shape was not very even shape. His face was not very beautiful face. Dark color was there, but he was a great saint. 2-3 boys came, young boys. Seeing him, they started laughing. He said, "Beta, haso mat. Kya has rahe ho itta?" Then he said, "Arey, don't laugh like a mad person." They became mad. Moment he said, "Don't laugh like a mad person," they became mad. They decided sing like this. ऐसे हो गया बेचारे. Those who have done bhakti upasana and who have come closer to God, their power is immense. Samam susevyaman maham, you are equal, you are same in all, you are same for all. But susevyam, you are, sevya means one who is worthy of being served. And you are the best who are worthy of being served. Here you serve anybody who forgets. You do so much for worldly people and they will forget so easily what you have done for them. Therefore, even if you are doing, you think I am doing for the Lord only, not for anybody. So much time everybody gives to his son, husband, wife, house, dog. Dog, they have the time to feed. They will take him out and what is called leash. Then they will have there, they will have the dog food. It has to be mixed in the water. No? Dog food. No? They can directly give. Acha. I say I have never given. I never had any dog. Neither I like playing with. I love them from a distance. And they will give to offer. Come, come, come. Tommy, 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 Tommy. Jeru, Jeru, Jeru. What is the name of that? And you know, he will he'll eat also like that also. It must be taking 10 minutes at least. 10-15 minutes. इतना तो लगता ही होगा नहीं? And you have to take out also sometimes for a walk. ये भी तो है नित्य कर्म में. So you have to take out. अपना नित्य कर्म नहीं, dog का नित्य कर्म है. So I have to take the dog out with the leash. You don't know who is making whom walk. Half an hour goes, 15 minutes goes. Go for here and there. Morning, evening. हमने बड़ी सेवा किया. If the dog is ill, he also has fracture. He also has various problems, the bodily problems like human being has. He also has osteoporosis. क्या क्या होता है? हाँ. He also has cancer. बोल तो पाता नहीं वो, but the vet is more expensive. Interesting. Irony is, we don't give food to God every day. Many of you must be having dogs. You have time to take out food. But hardly we take one small katori and put something and give to Lord Ram or Lord Shiva, Krishna who is standing. This twice a day. I'll give you once only, twice I can't give. Pranaya Swa, etc. Bhagwan Naivedyam Samarpyami. Whatever you have given to me, this is back to you. This is just a representative of my love. Sabki seva we will do. But we don't sit with the Lord and make Him feel that I am. Unless we are expressing our emotions, how will He feel also? He is susevyam. Khub seva, anvaham means day and night. I do serving of aham susevyam anuvaham. Day and night I do His seva. Then we say, I'm not very clean all the time. We have a lot of excuses. I'm not very pure all the time. My place is not there in the house. You sit with the Lord. You do His seva. That offering you feel you are putting in His mouth. And day and night means whatever is there in my life, I am trying to serve Him. Yat karma karomi tat tat akilam shambho tavaradna. Whatever action is there, I'll try to make you pleased. अब देखो कैसे नहीं भगवान खुश होते. How every difficulty of the life goes away by becoming a devotee. तो खुद देखना पड़ेगा. समम सुसेव्यम अन्वहम. Anvaham means constantly I am serving you with my smile, with my hands, with my legs, with my tears, with my schedule. Anup Roop Bhupatim Nato Hamor Vijapatim. Anup Roop, your form is Anupam, unmatchable. Who can be more beautiful like Lord? You know, when Rukmani ji's wedding was done, and Bhagwan Krishna almost took Rukmani ji and started going away, guards were put by Rukmi all around because they knew some mischief will be there. So they had put lot of guards. And when they saw, both were beyond comparison. They didn't understand what is going on. Anup Roop, most beautiful is the Lord. You contemplate on Bhagwan Ram's beautiful neck in which there are 3 lines. There are 3 lines on his leg. Eyes you contemplate which has good, broad eyes are there, big eyes are there. Smile you think. His shield you contemplate. When Parashuram saw him first time, he was very angry, seeing all the kings. As kahi lage, dandu pranama, kahe. You know, they talked their father's name and started after pranam. Bhagwan Ram came. De ki chhabi judane. He said, "Arey, so beautiful." For a moment, he became very cool and quiet. Seeing Bhagwan Ram. His nice, calm, serene face, his deep eyes, his prostrations, folded hands. आप भी देख लो. For a moment, just see the Lord inside from time to time. Bhupatim, he is the Lord of earth. Natoham Urvijapatim. Urvija means earth. Oh, I prostrate to you who is the Lord of the earth also. Nato means I offer my salutations. I offer my namaskar. Bhagwan, because namaskar is very difficult. No, namaskar is very easy, I'll prostrate. Namaskar is very difficult. Namaskar means I will always be smaller than you. My knowledge will be smaller, my desire would be smaller, my actions will be you are too big for me, Bhagwan. Where is the sun? Where is the firefly? बड़ा मुश्किल है नमस्कार करना. I will do whatever you will wish. I will never clash with you. I will never contradict you. You know, softness in the heart that expresses as namaskar. The person who feels that I am not living for myself. And such namaskar, those who do namaskar, they alone can do seva. Seva is easy. Why? Because I leave my desire. I will do whatever you will want. Only difficult things also. Difficult things also. Comfort you will leave. I will leave my comfort for you. Can you leave your sleep also? I will leave my sleep also. Can you leave your love also? I can leave all worldly love also. इसको सेवा बोलते हैं. Little part-time seva anybody can do. Off and on seva anybody can do. But always, in all form, I will serve you. More our seva is pervasive, more we are higher and closer. With this I can't take it, you know. I can't take this from Bhagwan also. I don't know why Bhagwan did this to me. Some people say, what wrong I had done to you? As if they can do something wrong. Bhagwan, what wrong I have done for you? You are punishing me. भगवान बहुत कुछ ले लेते हैं. He takes away various things, he gives various things. I will do whatever you will want. Namaskar is difficult. More is the love, more a person will be sacrificing himself. Nobody can sacrifice like Lakshmanji or Bharatji unless they had lot of love. And you can't love without giving. And higher is the altar, more sacrifice is required to please him. Bigger is my altar, more is the demand. Give me, give up this, give up this, give up this, give up this. Okay? And more that higher altar is pleased, more security comes, more. See, for Bali he snatched everything. What a cheating Bhagwan Raman did. He said 3 steps only I will have. This, his guru, Shukracharya, he came inside, bole, come in the green room, he took him. He said, Pagalo, he is Vishnu. He will take everything in 3 steps. Bali said, Bas, yahi to chahiye tha. If he has come to take from me, I will give. He said, but you should not give. Guru is Guru only when he takes you closer to God. If Guru doesn't go, takes closer to God, he is not a Guru. Simple. कोई गुरु गुरु कुछ नहीं है. No, my Guru showed me last birth. He is not a Guru. He should take you closer to God. Guru is not the one who shows you last birth and next birth and gives you what is your mind, or he gives you a lot of money. He left, and Bhagwan started taking the steps like that. Still, Bali never felt cheated. Tell me why? Because he knew everything belongs to him. Nata isi ko bolte hain. I can accept you at any level, I can accept you and I can give you anything. If you want my body also, I can give it to you. Death is a small deal for me. You be happy. आप जीतते रहो बस. You keep on becoming victorious in my life. Your joy is supreme. Three steps, 2 steps, Bhagwan became very big. And from there he said, Bali! 3rd. And वह डाटा ऊपर से. He scolded. वामन भगवान scolded Bali. एक तो गलती अपनी की है. गलती क्या मतलब, वो तो बलि की महिमा ही बना रहे थे. He said, you'd give your word that I will give three steps, and only 2 steps you gave. What is the 3rd step? I told you can't give. Oh, Varun, come here, tie him. Bali was tied and he was lying on the floor, tied with the pash. And he was watching like that. At that time also, Bali was said, Bhagwan, it was my mistake. I offer my namaskar to you. My head is the 3rd. 3rd step is on my head. आपके जीवन में भगवान कितना जीता है. How much Lord has been victorious in your life. How much happily he has been victorious. Anyway he will be victorious, but how much happily will he be victorious? How much I can really give for him? न तो हमोर विजापतिम. आपको हम नमन करते हैं. हमारा मन नहीं रहेगा, आप ही का मन रहेगा. नमन नमन नमन. आप जीत जाओ. If you want to make me thirsty, hungry, make me thirsty, hungry. If you want me, take me alone, take me alone. If you want to take away all the money, take all everything. Everything, whatever you wish, you are there. Prasidha me namami ते पदाब्जी भक्ति देहि में प्रसीद में, प्लीज बी हैप्पी ऑन मी। क्या बात है। बोले बट पीपल आर हैप्पी ऑन मी, विच अंकल इज हैप्पी, माय चाचा इज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ, Mausaji is very happy, he got gift also, eclairs chocolate he brought। Oh, क्या है chocolate, very popular one, huh? Ferrero Rocher। He bought big double deck। अच्छा, very happy on me। अरे here people are so fragile, with a small action they will be very unhappy। One who was praising you start talking bad about you. One who start talking bad about you starts praising you. You don't know who will move what and where. When anybody says, no, I love you, I just wonder, I said, when he is going to turn now. And if anybody praises me, I'm so afraid. I said, you don't know what he will next, what mistake I may do, what he may put him off also. पता ही नहीं कब कहाँ हो जाए इसका मामला। And you do everything, still this world will not accept you. भगवान को प्लीज करो। And when he is pleased, not only outer situations favor you, inner beautiful thoughts come from your mind. Beautiful bhav comes your mind. No, but how do I know Bhagwan is pleased? How do you know he is sitting in your heart? He will tell you, I am very happy with you. Does it require something? Your father is happy, mother is happy, sister is happy, brother is happy. Do you require someone to tell? You can't make it out. Anybody's husband is happy. Does he require the wife to tell, I am happy? She will know he is happy or unhappy. He is unhappy only. No. Now I am giving example. So. Is it required something? And when we have the art of making him happy, tat kurush madar padam, and you just chant some glories on the Lord, प्रसीद में, अरे आप इतना कही दो, somebody comes to me and says only that, verbally also he says, Swami ji, please be happy with me. This itself makes me happy. I said, अरे इसके मन में इच्छा तो है. Whether he does anything or not is another matter. But even if he says also that please be happy, at least that thing, at least he has that desire also. Bhagwan. I told you last night, na, that all wealth of the world is one place, happiness of the God is one place. Only though, let world be unhappy, let people be unhappy, happy, anyway they will be leaving me after some time. Who is there? But when Lord is happy, you know what comes? Guru comes in your life, saints come in your life, satsang comes in your life, good thoughts come in your life, books come in your life. कबीरा अमर निर्भर भया जैसे गंगा नीर, पाचे पाचे हरि फिरे कहत कबीर कबीर. Kabir Daji says, my heart became pure like a Ganges water. And you know what happens? Bhagwan Vishnu is after me nowadays. He is saying, Kabir, Kabir, ruko to. I said, wait, bhai. Pundalik was there. I know the story so many times. He was hating his parents. He had fought with his parents and left them. One day he was going to Kedarnath and he saw a nice cottage there, and he peeped in the cottage. Many people have this habit. So he saw, so 3 beautiful ladies were there. Long hairs, they were sweeping the floor like this with their hair. Beautiful Devis were there. And he stopped, awestruck. दिव्य देखने से पता लग गया है. They came out, he said, sorry, pranam. Bole, what? Bole, who are you Devis? And why you are there? And then they said, my name is Ganga, she is Jamuna and she is Saraswati. We sweep this person's cottage every day because when he used to serve his father and mother, he used to think, I am serving Lakshmi and Narayan. He has served so much. Therefore, as per the instruction of the Lord, we sweep his house every day. He got a lightning. He came back. Old parents, he used to press their feet, he used to offer them milk, he used to, you take their spit in their hand. Well, you don't go out to spit on my hand. राम ही केवल भाव प्यारा. Many years when he did with this bhav that I am pleasing Lord Vishnu, same thing was in mind. One day outside he heard beautiful reverberating voice, Pundalik. So he saw like this. He was offering something. He saw some Tejasvi there. He said, Maharaj, who are you? He said, I am Lord Vishnu whom you worship through your parents. I am very happy with your bhav, your selflessness. You are not sleeping to press their feet. I am very happy to see how much you have sacrificed your comfort. You have no life. You give this, that. And that time he was feeding. It is said close by, he searched like this. One stone was there. Some brick. He did like that. He said, please stand on that. Wait till I am free. बोले विट्ठल पांडुरंग भगवान की जय. वो विट्ठल पांडुरंग भगवान बन गए. Who stands like this in Pandharipur. आप भगवान को बुला लेते हो. The power of pleasing. Arey, forget about others in your life. Whom you are pleased, how much time you give, how much money goes, how much energy goes, how much of your wealth goes, how much of your attention goes, how much prayers you may have done. भगवान भी खुश होते हैं. There is something called happiness of the God also. And when Bhagwan Vaman saw that even I took everything from Bali, still he is trying to fold his hand like this. It was tied. Bali's hand was tied. And he was trying to fold his hand, but he couldn't fold his hand. He was doing like that. His other asuras said, we should attack him. No, don't attack. It is everything is his only. Like this he was saying, very good, Bhagavan, you be happy. Good, you have done this to me. I had a lot of abhiman of doing dan. Now my abhiman has gone that I also do dan. Nothing is mine. How can I give anything to you when everything belongs to you? He's crying. खुश कर दिया बलि ने. ब्रह्मा जी came. He said, Bhagavan, Bhagavad Gita chapter 9. You said patram pushpam phalam toyam. Anybody who gives even flower, petal, this, you are very happy. He gave everything. Not right to time. Prahlad ji also came there. Prahlad ji said, हमसे आगे निकल गया. I had to call you and you came without calling. And you are forcing me to take something and you took away forcefully from him. Bhagavan got very happy with Bali, although he was an asur, but he great place he is. क्यों? खुश तो किया. आप देखो तो देखो किसी को. प्रसिद्धि में your life, your house conditions, financial conditions, what is it called, mental problems, all go away when the Lord is happy. क्या बोले आपसे अब? He just comes and clears everything. Clears up everything. And biggest satisfaction. I always tell, how do you know you are lucky? Who loves you will decide who you are lucky or not. One who is happy on you is someone who is happy on you or not. He will decide. That will decide you are lucky or not. Your luck is decided not by your car and not by your bank balance and not by your nice makeup and not by your sons and daughters and not by how much beautiful my house is. Your luck is decided by who is behind you. कौन है आपके पीछे? I told you, that Karna and Bhagwan Krishna. Karna was having little more power than, because that Shakti he had. So many times I told. And one day Arjun was lying, he was on his lap, Bhagwan Krishna was pressing the head of Bhagwan like this, in the forest. And just jokingly he said, Bhagwan, supposing, in Mahabharata war, Karna has this Shakti which Indra has given to me. Definitely he'll apply on me only. Bhagwan's eyes were closed before that. Moment he said, Karna throws the Shakti, the eyes became like that. Supposing I pass away, after that, how will the war continue? Drona, Bhishma, everything. Arey Baap, Bhagwan threw his pitambar. He got up and with a roaring voice, he said, Arjun, Pranay will come if anybody throws Shakti upon you. I'll have Pranay around. Arjun had to hold the feet. Bhagwan, please, Kshamas Sumam. When Bhishma Pitama started shooting on Arjun, Bhagwan forgot his voice and jumped on the chariot and bole, kahan hai? Kuch nothing he got the wheel and marenge, pakad kar. Bhishma kahin ke honge, ab marenge, I'll just shoot. Arjun, he took Arjun by his stride. Bole, let me see how can him. Karahi bhagat, jadyapi sam nahi rang naroshu. गहि न पाप पूर्ण अरु दोषु तदपहि करहि सम विषम विहारा हृदय भक्त हृदय अभगत अच्वारा. ठीक है? Who is happy on you? You will not see him, but your ways, anywhere you will go, path will be clear. Anybody will confront you, he will be wiped off. Tambe jambe dadami ham in Rudri desi. Bola, I throw him on mount only. Shakti hoti hai bhai. He's not an ordinary person. Namdev ji, Gyandev ji were there. Both were wandering in him. It was very hot. Gyandev ji was yogi. I told you, he went in the well. Namdev ji was a simple devotee. Gyandev said, Namdev, you are a bhagat. See, I had yogic power. I went straight inside the well. What about you? He said, Bhagavan, I can't jump inside the well. I can't jump. But I know you are behind me. You are with me. water started getting up. It went up to the top, not up the top, where the mouth was there. It started rising up to that till he started drinking the water. The water came up to the mouth. Moment he drank the water, then water started going back to the well. Same time. Gyan Devji prostrated.